What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Jay back with another dope review. Today we're gonna go over one of my favorite slides on the market, Reebok Classic slides. These are perfect for everyday wear. These slides are made up of a synthetic material that's lightweight and comfortable. Something that you could just slide onto your foot without even thinking about it. So I'm definitely giving these about a 5 drip on the drip scale. These are fire. These are something that you could just rock and wear. You could feel comfortable matching in with an outfit. Reebok is definitely leading the game with these slides. They're affordable and they come in 9 different colorways. Something him or her could wear with any outfit. And yes, I just said 9 different colorways. Red, blue, green, orange, pink. They can have everything. If you want to be fly, these are it. So check out the on-foot review of these dope Reeboks and let me know in the comments how you feel about it. And again, this is Jay, aka Jay Neat, aka Mr. Reeboks, coming to YouTube with this fire review. And again, make sure you like, you share, and you subscribe to the channel. It's your boy.